The U.S. Air Force has selected Sierra Nevada Corporation to develop the next generation of airborne command centers. These new planes will succeed the E-4B Nightwatch fleet. Highly modified Boeing 747s built to survive nuclear war and facilitate retaliation. The program emphasizes the continued need for a mobile command center for the President, Secretary of Defense, and Joint Chiefs of Staff during emergencies.
Disconnecting in 3, 2, 1.
The decision to replace the Nightwatch fleet raises complex questions. While a mobile command center is crucial for national security, these doomsday planes symbolize the ever-present threat of nuclear war. The hefty price tag for their development and operation could be better allocated towards diplomacy and nuclear non-proliferation efforts. Can't we deter aggression without such stark reminders of potential annihilation? Sierra Nevada Corporation (SNC) has secured a major contract from the U.S. Air Force to develop the next generation of airborne command post AACP aircraft. This project signifies SNC's growing role in the defense sector and its expertise in modifying commercial aircraft for specialized military applications. Analysts predict the program will generate thousands of jobs and boost technological advancements in survivability and communication systems. The E-4B Nightwatch is a product of the Cold War era, a tense period where nuclear annihilation loomed large. These heavily modified Boeing 747s were designed to withstand a nuclear attack and allow the president and military leadership to continue command and control operations. The replacement program reflects advancements in technology and potential threats. The new ACPs will likely incorporate advanced defense mechanisms against cyber attacks and emerging weaponry. The U.S. Air Force's decision to replace the Nightwatch fleet reignites public debate about the role of nuclear deterrence in the 21st century. Proponents argue these airborne command centers are vital for national security, providing a protected environment for leadership to make critical decisions during emergencies. Opponents highlight the enormous cost and the psychological strain of such doomsday machines. Can't we strive for a world where these flying fortresses become obsolete? The Next Generation Airborne Command Post AACP program promises significant advancements in communication, survivability, and electronic warfare capabilities. These new planes will likely incorporate hardened electronics to shield against electromagnetic pulses from nuclear detonations. Enhanced satellite communication systems will ensure uninterrupted connection with ground command centers, and advanced defense mechanisms will protect against cyber attacks. The ACPs will serve as flying fortresses equipped with the latest technology for strategic decision-making in the face of crisis. The U.S. decision to replace its Nightwatch fleet can be interpreted in various ways by the international community. Some may view it as a necessary modernization of national security measures. The development and operation of large military aircraft like the Nightwatch and its successor have a significant environmental impact. These planes consume vast amounts of fuel, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution. The replacement program presents an opportunity to incorporate sustainable practices. Can the new ACPs be designed with fuel-efficient engines or alternative fuels? Can their operational patterns be optimized to minimize environmental consequences while maintaining their critical role in national security? Behind the imposing presence of the Nightwatch lies a dedicated team of Air Force personnel who ensure its constant readiness. From pilots and mechanics to communication specialists and intelligence officers, these men and women work tirelessly to maintain the aircraft and train for the unthinkable.